Sa Vancouver, nagtipon naman ang ilang artists at supporters sa Arts Club Theatre Lunes ng gabi. Pagdiriwang sa kauna-unahang anthology ng IB Pop Monologues ng The Parallel Project. Silipin sa report na ito. Sinimula ni na Argel Monte de Ramos at Jocelyn Chue ang Parallel Project ng 180 Momentum Collective sa Vancouver noong kasagsagan ng pandemya noong 2020. Tugon daw sa kakulangan ng Indigenous Black at People of Color o IBPOC monologue options sa paaralan. Ilang monologues ang nakalap likha ng IBPOC artists na itinanghal na rin sa iba't ibang bahagi ng British Columbia. Ngayong taon, sa unang pagkakataon, ang mga likha kasama sa isang libro, koleksyon ng mga orihinal na IBPOC monologues mula sa iba't ibang manunulat.
You don't always see these stories getting told. One of the plays that I saw so far, the first word is already huy. And you know a Filipino wrote that. And it's written by a Filipino for Filipinos. And all of the other cultures are probably going to enjoy the book because it's going to have some sense of their own culture in the book as well.
Ang akda ng ilang Pilipino gaya ni Natasha Chu at Claudine Paed napabilang din sa inilambag na anthology na ito.
It feels kind of surreal, like we've been talking about it for more than a year, and so now like seeing it and having like a physical copy is kind of insane, and for like all of us to be people of color, it's so crazy. Like there wasn't anything like this when I was growing up, and like my whole family is cheering me from the Philippines right now, which is really exciting.
Si Pae naman, limitado raw ang alam niyang Filipino, pero nakalakhan niya ang ugalit iba't ibang paraan ng pananalita ng kanyang mga kamag-anak. Naging kaeskwela rin daw niya sina De Ramos at Chue at mula nooy nadama nila ang puwang sa theater scene para sa mga gaya nilang people of color. Inspirasyon daw niya sa pagsulat ng satire ang mga pagsubok na hinarap sa mga casting dito sa Canada.
What if Miranda Priestley was Filipino? And then it kind of stemmed from there, and we experienced something similar to what happens in the monologue, where it's they're the predominant race in the world, and they think that they know everything, and they're trying to be a good ally, but they're still having a lot of regressive tendencies. A lot of us have to mold ourselves to be palatable to certain types of audiences when we should just be the kind of person that we want to see on the stage.
Maaaring mabili ang libro sa Playwrights Canada Press website.
So many more iterations coming up. We're going to do another one this year. Yeah, I just see this project kind of growing bigger as it goes on.